Customer Zone. If you enable Customer Zone, your customers can view their invoices online without logging to the system. You can enable your Customer Zone by checking this Enable your accounting Customer Zone checkbox. There are two options. First one, invoices and codes only. If you select this option, your customers can view their invoices and quotations. Second option, invoices and account history. If you select this option, your customers can view their invoices, quotations, sales orders, credit notes, payments, and account statement. You can enter company name displayed on your Customer Zone. After that, you can save. You can email your account transaction from the system. With this email, system will send a link to log into your Customer Zone. By clicking this View Document, you can log into Customer Zone. Enter access code in the email. You can copy this access code and paste. Click Validate button. You can log into Customer Zone. Now we are discussing in customer's point of view. Customer will receive the email, and clicking the link, customer can log into their Customer Zone. Customer can download this email or invoice. Customer can print this invoice or send a message. In this Customer Zone, customer can view invoices, they can view invoice number, invoice date, invoice reference, invoice description, invoice total, amount due, and status of that invoice. They can view quotations, sales orders, credit notes, payments, and customer statement.